Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily reset your password in Facebook. We've all been there. Forgetting a password can be frustrating, but fear not, I've got a simple guide to help you regain access to your Facebook account. Especially when it's a hack account, we need to recover it, right? So the first thing you'll need to do is to open the Facebook website. Now go to www.facebook.com. This should open the Facebook login page. Next step is to click Forgot Password. It's a link below the password text box in the upper right side of the page. Doing so will take you to the Find Your Account page. So you need to enter your email address or phone number. Click the text box in the middle of the page, then type in the email address or phone number that you use to log in into the account. Click search and then it's below the text box. Doing so will find your account. And next step is to select an account reset option. Click one of the following options. So if you click send code via email, it sends a 6-digit code to the email address that you use to log into Facebook. So if you choose send code via SMS, it sends a 6-digit code to the phone number that's associated with your Facebook profile. And if you choose use my Google account, this will allow you to log in into your Google account to verify your identity, and this bypasses the code reset process. So we will choose the send code via email. Now click continue. This will send the code to your email or messages. If you choose the use my Google account method, a window will open. The next step is to retrieve your verification code. So depending on your chosen account reset option, your next steps will vary. So if it's email, open your email inbox, look for an email from Facebook and note the 6-digit code in the subject line. For SMS, open your phone's messages, look for a text from a 5 or 6-digit phone number and note the 6-digit code in the text. If you choose Google account, enter your email address and password. Now that we have our security code, we need to enter the code here and then type the 6-digit code into the enter code field, then click continue. This will take you to the password reset page. So right now, you will be asked to enter a new password. Type a password into the new password text field near the top of the page. This will be the password you use to log into Facebook from now on. Click continue. Doing so saves your password change. Now the last step is to check the log out of other devices box and click continue. Doing so will log out your account on all computers, phones, and tablets, including the one from which your account was hacked, and take you to the news feed on your current computer, phone, or tablet. And that's it. You've successfully reset your password in Facebook and regained access to your account. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, we all forget passwords from time to time, but with these simple steps, you'll be back on track in no time. Thanks again for watching how to reset password in Facebook. See you on my next video.